Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna do a potty challenge. This potty challenge was created by Sassy Ren and Simple Carla Jones. We're gonna eat supposed to eat 3 patty in less than 5 minutes. Guys, I am not sure that I can eat it. I know I can't eat it, but let's start. The clock is set. It's really hot and spicy, guys. It's cheese patty also, but very yummy and hot. Guys, please remember to like the video, subscribe, click the notification bell to be notified each time we put up something. And I will definitely put the rest of the person that is in this challenge, I will definitely put their links in the description box down below. Guys, the cheese is very hot. Guys, I definitely can't manage anymore. I am not a fan of patty. Thank you guys for sticking around. I can't go any further. I'm not a fan of patty.